Imagine one customer has ordered from your store 10 times, and another just discovered your brand today, yet both customers get exactly the same experience. Your best customers deserve more. But without exclusive perks or rewards, loyal customers feel just like everyone else. With membership plans, you can reward loyal customers with exclusive discounts, premium products, and VIP benefits, because your best customers shouldn't feel like strangers.
Hey, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a membership plan on your Shopify store. First, install the app and go to the plan. First, click on Create Plan. Then, select the membership option and enter the name that you want to use for your membership plan. After that, you can add a description. Next, choose whether you want to apply this membership to specific products or all products. If you select specific products, click on Browse Products and choose the products you want to include. Now, move to the Member Tier section. Click on Edit to configure your first membership tier. Enter the tier name, set the price, and add a description if needed. Then, assign a customer tag, such as Silver Customer or any tag that fits your membership. Once you're done, click Save. To create another tier, click on Add New. For example, you can create a Diamond tier. Enter the tier name, update the price, add an optional description, assign the appropriate customer tag, and then click Save. Next, go to the Access Denied page settings. Here, you can edit the page title and add a description if you want. You can also customize the Subscribe button label, such as Subscribe Now, and the Login button label. Below that, you'll find the product page behavior settings. Here, you can choose how restricted products are displayed. You can hide the product, hide the Add to Cart button, or display the Access Denied message. Configure these options according to your preference. Finally, scroll down to the Edit Frequency section. Start by entering the frequency name and add a frequency description if needed. Then, configure the renewal cycle. For example, you can set it to renew every month, every 2 months, or choose another interval. Next, move to the Recurring Order Schedule section. Here you can choose the recurring day of the month. For example, I'm selecting same day as initial order. Next section is Incentive or Discount. I highly recommend adding a discount here because it can be very effective in attracting customers. You can choose to offer either a percentage discount or a fixed amount discount, depending on your preference. Simply enter the value you want to offer. You'll also see the Modify Discount After Certain Billing option. This allows you to change the discount after a specific number of billing cycles. For example, you can reduce or increase the discount by setting a new percentage or fixed amount after a certain period. Next, go to the Policy section. Here you can configure the subscription cancellation policy based on your business requirements. You'll customize these options according to your preferences and the subscription rules you want to apply. Once you've finished configuring all the settings, click Save to create your membership plan. Now, let's move to Customize Appearance. This is where you can customize the look of your membership widget. Aeon Subscription offers multiple widget styles, making it a great choice for creating a professional-looking membership experience. For this tutorial, I'll select the blue widget theme. As you can see, the membership tiers we created earlier, Silver, Gold, and Platinum, are now displayed in the widget. Once you're happy with the design, click Save. Next, click on Add Block and select the product where you want to display the membership widget. Make sure you choose the same product that you assigned to your membership plan. After that, go back to your Shopify main dashboard, click on Online Store, and open the product where the membership widget has been added. As you can see, our membership widget is now live on the product page. To test everything, simply place an order and fulfill it to make sure the membership is working as expected. If you experience any difficulties while creating or editing your membership plans, feel free to contact our support team. Also, be sure to check out our other helpful tutorial videos for more tips and guidance.